Hello everyone, how's it going? So today we're gonna learn how to delegate, undelegate, redelegate tokens and participate in governance by using the Cosmostation wallet. So as you can see, there is the delegate button that we can press, and we're gonna be shown a list of validators. We can click in one of those, and once we select the validator to which we want to delegate our tokens to, then we can select also the amount of Arch that we want to delegate. We can confirm the transaction, and yeah, we are advised that it's gonna take 21 days to undelegate these tokens. So once we confirm the transaction, our tokens are now delegated. So we are actually staking right now. We can also go in the validator details and press on the redelegate button or the undelegate, or we can also press the claim rewards button to claim the rewards from the staking activity. So if we press on the redelegate button, then we can select from the same list a validator to which redelegate our tokens to. And once we do that, we can confirm the transaction. Also, once we redelegate to a validator, we cannot redelegate straight away. We're gonna need to wait 21 days also. So after the transaction is confirmed, then we can see the updated status of it. We can also select the undelegation button. We can choose the amount to undelegate, and we're gonna receive that amount after 21 days. So we can confirm the transaction, and that's it. We can also vote on governance by pressing the governance button, and we can see the active proposals. Once we select a proposal that is on a voting period, then if we have tokens staked, then we can vote on it. So in this case we can vote yes, and we can confirm the transaction. And that's it. So you now know how to vote on governance proposals and stake, unstake and redelegate tokens by using Cosmostation.